So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing multiplayer is not installed on your system, reinstall to begin playing, error problem in your Battlefield 6. So guys, follow these steps, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. First, check multiplayer add-on or DLC installation. Battlefield 6 installs campaign and multiplayer separately on some platforms. EA app or Steam PC. Open EA app or Steam library. Go to Battlefield 6 and manage add-ons or DLCs. Look for an item called multiplayer or online mode. If unchecked or not installed, click install or download. After installation, restart your PC and launch again. Second, verify game files. Sometimes the multiplayer data gets corrupted. Fix EA app. Click on Battlefield 6 or Manage, then Repair Steam. Right click Battlefield 6, then Properties, then Install Files, then Verify Integrity. This re-downloads missing multiplayer files. Number 3. Check storage drive. If your drive ran out of space during install, multiplayer content might have been skipped. Ensure at least 60 to 80 GB free space install if incomplete. Number 4. Update EA app and Battlefield 6. Outdated launchers or patches cause this error. Update EA app or Origin or Steam to latest version. Launch Battlefield 6, then it should prompt for an update. Install all pending updates and restart. Number 5. Log out and relink account. Sometimes your EA account does not sync the multiplayer entitlement. Sign out of EA app, then sign in again. If on Steam or Epic, go to settings, then connections, then EA and relink your account. I hope this helps you. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.